Ever wondered how your garden could host a treasure trove of history and flavor? Imagine cultivating edible antiques known as heirloom vegetables, prized for their diverse tastes and links to our past. If you're intrigued, stick around as we delve into the fascinating world of heirloom vegetables. So what exactly are heirloom vegetables? Well, these are varieties that have been passed down through several generations of a family because of their valued characteristics. Unlike hybrids, heirlooms are open-pollinated, which means they're pollinated by insects, birds, wind, or other natural mechanisms. This allows them to retain their original traits generation after generation. They're admired for their diversity, flavor, and connection to history. So when you bite into an heirloom tomato or pepper, you're tasting the same flavors your ancestors did. In essence, heirloom vegetables are a flavorful journey into our past. You might wonder, why should I consider heirloom vegetables? Well, these plant varieties offer a plethora of benefits. For starters, they bring unique, often superior flavors that outshine their supermarket counterparts. They also promote sustainable gardening, helping to reduce our carbon footprint. Moreover, growing heirlooms preserves agricultural diversity, saving plant varieties that might otherwise disappear. In essence, planting heirloom vegetables isn't just a hobby, it's an act of conservation. Heirloom vegetables not only add variety to your table, but also contribute to a healthier planet. Ready to start your heirloom adventure? Embarking on this journey begins with choosing the right seeds. Look for varieties that have thrived in similar climates to your own. Next, consider your local climate. Heirloom varieties often have specific needs, so ensure your garden can provide the right conditions. Lastly, practice organic gardening. Avoid synthetic fertilizers and pesticides as they can harm these delicate plants. Remember, growing heirloom vegetables is not just gardening, it's preserving history. Now that you're familiar with the charm of heirloom vegetables, why not give growing them a try? Share your journey. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more gardening insights. Happy gardening!